Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to install Arduino IDE. So for that, I need you guys to open up your web browser and search for Arduino. Click on arduino.cc. Click on software and click on download Arduino IDE. So you can choose any one of these. I'm going to choose the MSI installer because I like that method. And I don't want to contribute anything. If you want to contribute, you can contribute any amount of money you want. If you don't want to contribute, just click on just download. If you want to subscribe to the newsletter, you can give them your email ID and etc. But I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna just click on just download. Save the file and open it when once done. And once the file is downloaded, open the file. You can feel free to close your web browser. I think this is gonna take some time. So click on the Arduino IDE which appears on your desktop. You can also do it by searching in the search bar. So there you go, guys. We have successfully installed Arduino IDE. Happy coding.